Good evening to all of you. We had already completed 3 points in measures to reduce unemployment. Measures to reduce unemployment. Now 3 points we have already done. Point number 4th. Employment oriented education. Employment oriented education. Now first of all, problem. How education system is responsible for unemployment. So first sentence, present education system in our country is also responsible for unemployment. Now how present education system in our country is responsible for unemployment? It provides only bookish knowledge. So even after being graduate, individuals are not able to get job, and that's why there is a need of means it becomes essential to bring changes. In simple language, so it becomes essential to bring major changes in our education system. Now, how we can bring major changes in our education system? For this purpose, government should. Now we are explaining about measures, how we can reduce unemployment. So here, government should provide vocational training. Provide vocational education in the field of trade, commerce, business, agriculture, etc. And for this, though some changes have been introduced in education system, but they are not enough. This is a fact. It is necessary to start and increase the curriculum that comprises of providing training and business oriented education in the field of so that after getting such education, it is easy to get easy to get employment. And as a result, unemployment can be reduced to a larger extent. This is the explanation of fourth point. Fourth point, employment oriented education. So our present education system is such that it is responsible for unemployment. We can say that education system is one of the cause root of unemployment. How? It provides only and only bookish knowledge, means students are not able to get practical knowledge. That's why even after being graduate or postgraduates, these individuals are not able to get job. That's why it is essential for our country to change the education system, to change the education policy, so that we are able to reduce our percentage of unemployment. Now, how we can change our education policy? For this purpose, government should provide vocational education, means practical knowledge in different fields, like in the field of trade, commerce, business, agriculture, and other fields. After getting vocational education, they will trained in different fields, and then after getting such education, it is possible for them to get employment or to start their own business, to start their own work. As a result, it is possible that unemployment can be reduced to a larger extent. So simple explanation is there for fourth point, employment oriented education. Now fifth point. नहीं फोटो लेने के लिए. Now fifth point we have written extension of infrastructure facilities. Instead of that, fifth point is development of cottage and small scale industry, because it is easy for you to explain. Development of cottage and small scale industries. Fifth and last point, and after that chapter is completed. Now fifth point is, once again, fifth point we have written development of infrastructural facilities. Instead of that, development of cottage and small scale industry. It becomes easy for you to explain. Last point, development of cottage and small scale industries. And explanation is almost same as we have done in point number 3, employment oriented planning. Again, in second 5-year plan, government had focused more on basic and heavy industries, which is based on capital intensive production technique. Once again, capital intensive production technique means machineries are more and labors are less used. And we all know about Indian situation, Indian economy, that India has scarce capital. India has scarce capital. India is capital scarce and labor intense country. Labor intense country. India is capital scarce and labor intense country means here due to lack of finance India is not able to import new technology machineries from other country due to lack of finance. But India is labor intense country means here labors are available in abundant quantity, labor supply is more, reason due to increase in population. So once again India is capital scarce and labor intense country, and that's why because it is labor intense country, so the proportion of unemployment is more. Now how we can reduce the percentage of unemployment is more? So government should encourage and motivate cottage and small scale industries and other activities which are based on labor intensive production techniques. And now in order to encourage and motivate cottage and small scale industry, government should provide various types of incentives so that these type of industries can develop with flourish. Their development may reduce unemployment to a larger extent. In second 5-year plan, number of times we have used this sentence that in second 5-year plan government has focused more on establishing basic and heavy industry, means more focused on development of basic and heavy industries. And in basic and heavy industries what happens, that huge amount of investment is needed. That's why private sectors are not interested in establishing basic and heavy industries, and such industries are completely based on capital intensive production technique where machineries are more and labors are less used. That's why basic and heavy industries are not able to generate employment opportunities, and as a result what happens, unemployment, the percentage of unemployment or proportion of unemployment increases. Now another important information, India is capital scarce. Capital here means due to lack of finance, India is not in a position to establish big or heavy industries because such industries needs huge machineries and such huge investment. It is not in a position, means India is not in a position to establish such huge industries. But India is labor intense country, means labors are available in abundant quantity, in huge quantity, And since labors are available in abundant quantity, that's why proportion of unemployment is more. Active workforce is more, population is more, that's why labors are in more quantity. But against that, in proportion of that, government is not able to generate employment opportunities. As a result, unemployment increases. Now, what government should do in order to reduce unemployment? So, government should encourage and motivate cottage and small scale industries. Not only cottage and small scale industries, agricultural activities, dairy farming, poultry farming, such activities can be encouraged by government. How? By providing various types of incentives, financial incentives. For example, they should provide free interest loan, they should provide various equipments which are needed to start their business, to start their work. So they can provide various types of incentives. And such activities means cottage industries, small scale industries, dairy farming, poultry farming, agricultural activities. These activities are completely based on labor intensive production technique. Means here machineries are less and more laborers can be employed. And when more laborers are able to employed in large quantity, as a result, what happens? Such type of development of such activities may reduce unemployment to a larger extent. So these are the different measures by which unemployment can be reduced to a larger extent. So 5 points we have completed, and in this way this chapter is completed.